Hi Sagittarius, this is your monthly reading for the month of December. This is your birth month period as well. So, people who are celebrating their birthdays in December and the end of November, my best wishes to all of you. And the cards that have come out for you are also very good, and I have clarified it to understand what exactly is going to be seen in the month of December, and how you are going to end this year and what's going to be your outcome. So everything looks very good, and the situation in your environment, internal or external, whatever we take, the world card is the influence, and the world card influence tells us that great transformations, completions, upgradations are coming to you, fulfillment will come to you, and it is clarified by page of pentacles and the star. So basically a new situation will hold great hope for you. So hope card is here, and hope is coming another in another place in your reading. So hope in your energies are coming back to you with a page of pentacles, a new promise, new practical opportunity, and life is taking a new turn in terms of your personal or professional partnerships in this time period, and you are going to have great accomplishment and upgradation in your life. So with the seven of pentacles and nine of swords, you could be feeling a bit worried in the beginning of the month. You will be feeling worried because there is Mercury retrograde in this time period. So it is happening in the first house for you, that is, it's happening in Sagittarius. So from 25th November to the 15th of December, you will be a little worried, and there will be, some anxiety, worry, and tensions regarding what you have invested in or what you have worked for. But angels are saying you will be on a higher ground with the seven of wands and justice. So in life, things will come back to an even keel, it will come back to a balance or equilibrium, and with the seven of wands you will be able to perform at your best, and you will be able to win situations by being on a higher ground, being reserved, protective, and always ready to deflect challenges. So basically you will be given fair results in things which you are looking for. So whether it is your love or whether it is your work, you are going to succeed. And with the king of cups energy, there could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but king of cups is coming twice for you, and this means that this is your energy in this time period. So being emotionally intelligent, being calm, composed is going to give you great spirits to fight the odds that are coming on your path, and the odds are basically anxiety. So it is not something which is actually happening, it is something which is on your mind. It is a kind of a fear, it could be some kind of uncertainty, because the new moon period is also happening in your first house. So basically moon will challenge you, the you know depths of situation can challenge you, unknown uncertain things can challenge you in the beginning of the month. But with the star and the death energy, what is happening is great transformation with hope. So basically you will be changing old methods, you will be changing old maybe relationships for many of you, practices that you used to do, you are going to have a great transformation or an ending of some sort, which is going to show you your clear path in for your future. So Ace of Swords is coming. So despite difficulties, despite problems, despite anxiety, worry, you are going to have a complete new persona to deal with challenges in your life, and mainly it is happening in your partnership situation. So you will be letting go of something or sacrificing something. You will be taking a different perspective in your life, and you are changing the way you think regarding situations. And with the Judgment card, you are going to pick yourself up, and you are going to make the correct judgment, or divine intervention of some sort will take place to make things clear to you. So the Ace of Swords will be the path that will be shown to you, because you'll be ready to transform, ready to change, ready to see a different perspective in your life regarding people who are close to you. So have hope. With hope and judgment, things are going to come to clarity. Realistic judgments will be made, and they will be favorable for you in terms of your partnership or love life or people close to you in your family. So something is ending and something you need to give up. That is what is coming to you. So people who have problems of health on their mind, what is happening is you will be letting go of bad habits, letting go of sugar, letting go of chocolates, letting go of drinking. So basically you are going to have a new situation come up to you. The deadline call will be made to you. Angels are urging you, knocking at your door to, wake you up from the old situation, past situation. And by being a fly on the wall, by being outside of a situation, you will be deciding to let go of something in this time period to enjoy better health, better love, better relationship in this time period. So in terms of your job or work, or what you are going to get is the Ace of Wands. So innovative ideas will come to you in this time period, and one card has fallen. So innovative ideas with Eight of Pentacles. So you will be working on a thing which could be connected to your talent or your craft, and you are going to do great work regarding that. So it will be a clean slate, and you will be trying to make an effort to start doing something in a routine. So some of you are also in this time period getting rid of bad habits, laziness, or being a like a sloth bear. You are going to take action. You are going to take action with the Knight of Wands energy in this time period. You will be prospecting for greater expansion in this time period. So all this might happen after 15th of December, because you are going to make an expansion movement, or conviction will come back to you by the ending of the Mercury retrograde. That is what I am seeing. So some of you will be going for trips, some of you are going to make a move towards your partner, some of you are going to make a move towards your talent and pursue that as a passion. Many of you are coming out of difficulties in this time period, in the month of December, with the Six of Swords. So with this energy, which is Six of Swords is divine. Six of Swords is a right to safe passage. It is like someone will invisibly bail you out of situations. So you are going to experience the energy of Ace of Cups. So a renewal, a new chance, a kind of new feeling, self respect, self love, and recovery of some sort will take place as well in this time period. So whether it is your personal or professional, you are going to experience the new situation. So Ace of Swords has already come, Ace of Cups has come to you. So this means that renewal of feelings or renewal in life is coming in. So in terms of work, you will be knowing what to do. With the High Priestess and the two and the Lovers card, you are going to make a choice that will come from within. So in terms of work, you will be nudged, guided towards a decision, and that decision is going to be coming from downloads that are going to happen in this time period, or advice of someone. So a great feminine energy could be urging you to move forward. So this could be a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy around you, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are dealing with these two signs mainly. Some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius as well. So with the Six of Wands, in terms of your job, career, money, or your decisions in your profession, Six of Wands is telling me a short term victory, a promotion, a pat on your back, and popularity is going to increase with a decision that you are going to make, a quick decision for many of you. Some of you are also going on trips, and some of you are deciding to work on your own or be a self-employed person, or entrepreneurial energy is coming to you. So with the King of Wands, you are going to take control of your life in this time period regarding your professional matters. You are going to set out to do things and achieve things and be the leader in a team. That is what I am seeing. So in terms of your partnership, a quick ending is possible. There is a possibility of changes in attitude, changes or diffusion of ego wars. That is for sure with the Two of Swords and Ten of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. There is a probability of change in your relationship in this time period, and you are going to move towards a situation where ending is possible with a person. So ending does not mean that the relationship is ending. For some of you it could be that, for some of you it could be change in attitudes, change in the way you think regarding love or partnerships. So there is going to be an accomplishment in that sector, I am sure of that. So with the Three of Pentacles and the Justice as your outcome, what is coming to you is, despite the competition, despite the disagreements, despite the issues that you go through in this month, the Three of Pentacles and Justice is coming to you. So Three of Pentacles and Justice means that a new teamwork or a new foundation will be laid regarding fairness, justice, regarding yourself and with others. So you are going to take accountability, responsibility, and your karma is kicking in this time period in a good way. So you will be having success in things that you take up in this time period, and it is going to create a foundation for you. So your advantage is the Page of Wands. You will be enthusiastic despite difficulties, despite issues or tensions in this time period. Something new, good news, or a fresh start is coming to you in this time period. The Sun card is your difficulty or obstacle. So this is never very serious. This is about you being a bit in clouds, in the sense that you could be feeling shadow energy of the moon for some time, some uncertainty, and it could be that you might not be enjoying yourself so much in parties or with friends, or feeling that sense of optimism which your reading is showing. The energies are very optimistic, but maybe you will not feel so, many of you will not feel so. So there could be some feelings of not being happy with the present situation. So it's all right, but enthusiasm will come back to you. That is what I say with the page of wands. In the near future, with temperance, that is your card, that is the energy of the angel who brings healing. You are going to bring healing in your life and healing for your relationships and friendships and teamwork. So you will find the middle path in situations where you are conflicted, and with the three of wands you are going to achieve success. You are going to achieve success. 99.9% expectation energy of the work that you have done so far in your relationship or in your health situation or in your career situation. You will have the optimism coming back, enthusiasm coming back, and you are going to expect the results which are going to be good. So what's coming to you from Lenormand is the advice card. So the garden card, number 20 card, is coming for you. This is a good card. So this is, start of a business, invention, or love rendezvous. So put more courage and enthusiasm into what you do, and you will obtain excellent results. So bring in that confidence in you and the enthusiasm, and pursue your situation with fire in your belly. All your energy will be concentrated on work in December. You have brilliant ideas, plans, and you are going to put them in practice. A part of the month will be dedicated to rest with a relaxing holiday that puts you back in shape. Commitment in study or work has brought you in to an enviable position. Business that is already underway is going to make profits, and you can take a holiday or a break. Master stroke discovery invention is possible in this time period. It can change your life. You will be doing very well in terms of your work. So the initiative you will start will go a long way. So in terms of money, after a breakdown, recovery will happen. A surprise holiday in a peaceful environment will soothe your stress. Good business will solve your financial woes. In terms of love, secret love with someone who is already spoken for will change your destiny. Emotional recovery after being hurt. Music, artistic inspiration will help you. Little pleasures, consoling invitations, and walks in the countryside will soothe the disappointment. A clandestine meeting can happen unexpectedly for some of you. Full recovery of peace will happen in December after the worst phase is over. You will find peace again thanks to the help of family and friends. So, this is what I have for you, Sagittarius. You will heal definitely. Self love will kick in. You will, with the Six of Swords, you will get out of difficulties. With the Star card coming twice, and Judgment and Hangman and Death, things that are trending will go away. So if something is not going well, it is going to end, and good things are coming for you, and healing will happen for you in this time period. So very very good reading. Birthday wishes again. Have a good year ahead of you. So I'll come up with more readings for you very soon. Till then, have a good time. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading by writing to me through the email ID in the description box. Till then, I'm saying goodbye. Bye bye.